Buongiorno, this is Chef Rosario with the National Pasta Association, and I was playing the guitar and now I have the spaghetti alla chitarra. In the old days they used to make them lay the dough on a guitar, which is this is a guitar, it's a pasta chitarra, and roll the dough and get spaghetti with a square kind of cross section, so they would have a very interesting texture. Spaghetti alla chitarra. This particular one is actually made with an ancient grain called capelli. Very good. So we'll make a spaghettoni or spaghetti alla chitarra with a variation of one of my favorite sauces, which is the sauce that you make when you want to use your pantry. And we're going to make a puttanesca, but this is a different puttanesca. It's a green puttanesca, meaning no tomatoes. So almost like a pre-Columbian, pre-discovery of America puttanesca, when tomatoes were still a mystery to the Western civilization. So we're going to have garlic, of course, chili peppers, olives, two kinds of olives. This is a cerignola, but you can use Castelvetrano, all kind of nice green Italian olives. And then we have a small olive called Niçoise or Nizzarda, small olives from the Ligurian and southern France. Capers, anchovies, optional. I love anchovies, and this is where all the flavor comes from, all the umami. And of course Italian parsley. Italian parsley is not just a garnish, is actually an herb, is an aroma, because Italian parsley is very aromatic, especially the stem. And of course, the scallops. And the way to clean the scallop here is take the abductor muscle out and slice them like this. This is one of those dishes that you prepare literally while the pasta cooks. I'm gonna start my sauce. Now remember, this has no tomatoes, so it's gonna be an olive oil sauce. It's gonna have about a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil. Okay, water is boiling. I'm gonna put a little salt, and I'm going to put my pasta. And this is gonna cook in about 8 minutes. I'm gonna take it out a little al dente so I can finish it up in the pan. Very well, so now I'm ready for my sauce. I'm gonna put the garlic. Just make sure it doesn't burn, just nice and golden, not burn. I'm going to put the capers, about 2 tablespoons of capers. Olives. And anchovies. This is really all the flavor of the sauce is right here. Look at that, they just melt away in the sauce. The anchovies are gone, and all you get is the nice, delicious flavor, all the umami. I'm gonna put the parsley. And it's gonna make it a green puttanesca, and of course the scallops. And I forgot the chili peppers, but never you mind, it's never too late for the chili peppers. I love chili peppers, so I'm gonna put a nice amount. Look at this, I wish you could taste it right now. Just don't overcook the scallops. They are beautifully tender. You know they're done when they turn from translucent to almost like milky. They don't need a lot of cooking. They are really just need to be just quickly sauteed. The pasta is just about ready. I'm gonna save the proverbial half a cup of pasta water for the sauce. I'm going to put it back into the sauce right here. Now, as you notice, I didn't salt the sauce, and the reason why I didn't salt the sauce is because the capers, the olives, and the anchovies, they are already salty, or else they already have plenty of flavor. So It doesn't need extra salt. I'm gonna just quickly incorporate all the flavors. Look at this beautiful pasta dish. Look at the wonderful sauce, it's thickening it up. A couple of minutes of this will thicken up the sauce and we are almost ready. Guys, I can wait to try this wonderful dish. And please, no cheese. By just doing this, I get my scallops right on top. Look at that. I'm in heaven. The aroma of the sea with the scallops. Buon appetito and share the pasta.